So let's get to the nitty gritty. This is my MacBook Pro, which I've had since 2012. I've already replaced the battery once. It still works. I upgraded the memory once upon a time as well. But the battery is swollen to the point where if the trackpad is raised, the battery's pushing up on the trackpad, etc., etc. So I went to the Apple store. They quoted me, I want to say $400 and something to fix it, and then with the risk of my trackpad not working after it was all said and done. So I said, okay. They recommended that I honestly just look at possibly getting a whole nother computer. Well, as you know, I just do some of my editing on this, not even a whole lot of the bulk of it anymore. I've been doing the Premiere Pro, but I still do use it from time to time and would love to have that backup. So what I did, I went on the internet, which I possibly could have did the first time I went and got the battery changed, because it was probably a couple hundred. So this is the battery here. Comes with, as you can see, a battery and 2 screwdrivers. I heard that one is for like the outside for these, and then the other one is for like a special kind of screw that's on the inside, from what I read. So this one must be for the outside here. So it said it shouldn't take that long. I'm gonna go ahead and pop it open, get it done, and then put it back together and go from there. So yeah. All right, so now we got the computer open. Now, if you look at how this thing swole, like this swole up, like bad. Like, I think it broke, like where it was supposed to be being held down right there. Like it broke away from where it was supposed to be. So we're gonna come in with our other screwdriver here. I guess we're gonna have to do all the extra ones that we thought we were gonna have to do. And it should just be removing those screws and then taking the battery up out of here. But as you can see, like that thing is swole. Need 2 hands here. All right, so look at that, bro. That is crazy. That is crazy. Like the battery is basically expanded. Crazy, like. All right, so that's the old one. Now I have heard that maybe this battery is not going to be sufficient as far as maybe the same battery life, etc. I may look into actually purchasing a actual battery from them and going from there. I'm just not 100% sure, but yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna need both hands again so I can put this battery in. It basically is just gonna slide in there, boop, and it's not gonna be all bloated like that one, and it should fit off in there. I mean, that's crazy. probably could hurt somebody. All right, so Ninja battery is in. A screw right there. A screw right there. And you're good to go. And you just gotta put the outer ones back in, and we'll power it up and see what happens. All right, so the mouse pad seems to be working. Well, it sounds like it works. Moment of truth. Oh shit, son! It's up. It's up, bitches. I just gotta make sure I got a mouse pad and that it actually clicks. And that bitch is back a laptop for the low. The replacement battery was like $40. But I mean, this shit was just swollen to hell. Swollen to hell, children. There you go. Talk to me. Talk to me. Register, charge, or whatever it needs to do. Oh! It detects the battery is charging, bitch. Alright, let me put my password